In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in ClickUp, enabling you to personalize how dates appear in your workspace. Whether you prefer a different regional format or simply want to change, ClickUp makes it incredibly easy and customizable. Now, let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to clickup.com. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the website address to access the ClickUp homepage. Now, if you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your account credentials. Remember, having direct access to your ClickUp dashboard is key to making any necessary changes. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Give it a click. This icon is usually represented by either your initials or a picture, depending on how you've set it up. It serves as a gateway to your personal settings and preferences within ClickUp, which will bring us to our next step. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for an option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to the main settings page, where you have the ability to tailor a multitude of options such as notifications and personal information. It's a central hub of customization for your ClickUp experience and will be essential for adjusting your date format. Now that you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down until you come across the section labeled Time and Date. Here you'll find options that allow you to modify how dates and times are displayed throughout ClickUp. Whether you want a month-first format or a day-first format, this is where you can make that change. With a simple click, you can select your preferred date arrangement and ensure your dates are displayed just the way you like them. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly change the way dates appear in your ClickUp workspace, all tailored to your personal or regional preferences. Customizing these small details can really enhance your workflow and make using ClickUp an even more user-friendly experience. So whenever you feel like altering how your dates are formatted, just remember these quick steps. Log into your account, navigate to your profile, go into your settings, and find the time and date section to make your desired changes. This flexibility is part of what makes ClickUp a versatile tool for productivity and organization. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in optimizing your ClickUp settings.